Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a what's on my iPad 2020. So a few months ago, I did an unboxing of my iPad and you guys seem to really like that video. So I thought, why not do a what's on my iPad, since I literally use my iPad every day. I use it for so many different things, and I recently decorated with these stickers. All these stickers are from All Things Leanne, Pura Vida, and Glow. So check them out. I'll have them in the description. And I love using cute little stickers like this to customize my iPad. So I'm just gonna get straight into my iPad. Alright, so this is my iPad, the opening screen when you first see it. This wallpaper, I got it from Julia K. Christ. You guys like tech and lifestyle videos, you've probably heard of her. So it changes a lot, but this is just the one I'm using right now. If you guys want custom iPad wallpapers, phone, watch, computer wallpapers, make sure to check out my website at ximenadesigns.com. I'll have it in the description, and I basically give you guys like new wallpapers every week. And I actually now have free app icons you can use for your phone or for your iPad whenever you sign up for my email club, and you get access to all the wallpapers and all the app icons. So I keep all my apps on one screen just because I like it like that, because my most used apps are pretty much there. The first app I have in the top corner is FaceTime. Never really use that for my iPad. Calendar, photos, messages, camera, clock. You guys all know the basic apps, so I'm not going to really get into much detail with them. And then below that also maps, reminders. You guys know what all those things do. But I have been using reminders a lot more. I think it's really helpful. Anyway, so the first folder I have is design. This is probably the main folder I use. I have Fonto, Magic Eraser, Adobe Fresco, Photoshop, Lightroom, Procreate, Canva, GoodNotes, and Creative Cloud. So I'm going to get more into detail of what those apps do and all that stuff. Yeah, Fonto, I mostly only use that app if I have to like curve text, because that's the only app that I can really curve text. Magic Eraser, I don't really use that much anymore, but I like to keep it just in case. Basically just like erases the background, but it makes it a little bit easier than just using like Procreate, so sometimes I use that one. Adobe Fresco, I haven't really used that one as much. I still really need to get into it more. And then I have Photoshop. I love using Photoshop so much, and I'm still pretty beginner to it. I use it on my computer and my iPad, so my dad does a lot of graphic design as well, so he's been teaching me some things, and hopefully I can get better at all this Photoshop and Illustrator stuff, because like I said, I'm still learning. Photoshop is kind of like Procreate, but I feel like you can do a little bit more with it, and especially on your computer you can do like a lot more things with it. So yeah, I don't know. And then next to that, or at the bottom, I have Lightroom. I mostly use Lightroom on my phone because there I have like more presets and stuff, but Lightroom is probably my favorite app to edit pictures. If you basically want to learn like where to edit more pictures, where I edit all my pictures, it's on this app. I use it for so many things, and I love all the presets I have on it. The next app is my favorite all-time app ever, and it is Procreate. I use it for literally every single thing. Graphics, my Instagram, my website, for the thumbnails you guys see. I have so many folders and I use it for so many things. Let me know if you guys want to see like a Procreate tips video soon. That might come out in the next few months. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I've always been scared to do like design type videos because I don't know how much of my audience really likes that. So let me know if you guys want to see more of that type of design, graphic design types videos, because I would love to do them. But yeah, I use Procreate for so many things. And fun fact, I wasn't gonna get Procreate. I used to use some type of Adobe app, and I used it for like a few months, and then one of my favorite all-time artists and letterers, Don Nicole, uses this app a lot, and I was like, is it much better or different than the Adobe app I was using? And I finally decided to get it, and it was the best decision I ever made. So I highly recommend Procreate. It's $10, but that's so cheap for what it can do. So that's my little rant on Procreate. Then next to that, I have Canva. Sometimes I use it if I kind of stuck on graphics and things like that, or even for the Team Boss Space creative team that I'm on, we use that a lot. And so sometimes I use this for some designs, but yeah, I use Canva sometimes, once in a while. Next to that, my second favorite app on my iPad is GoodNotes. I also use this app to plan my life, plan literally everything. The planner I'm using right now is a homeschool planner by Great Heart Work by Creating with Lucy. I'll have her links in the description, but she has like literally my favorite planners. I was looking for like a good digital planner, and I found her, and she has the best planners ever. So if you guys are wanting to go digital, highly recommend her. Again, I'll link her Etsy in the description, but she has my favorite planners. I'm using the homeschool one right now, and I use it literally every day. Here was like my week. Like I literally planned so much on my week, but maybe you guys can just see like a little overview, but this is my month. Anyways, so I use this for my planner, for plans, for ideas. Love using GoodNotes. And then I have Creative Cloud, which don't really use, but I kind of need it for some like Adobe things, like for fonts and stuff that I use on Photoshop and things like that. So yeah, that's my design folder. Next to that, I have my extra folder, really just some like kind of basic apps. This is some of the stuff that I do for my church, because I actually do like the social media handling on our church's pages and stuff like that. So I have all these apps to help me with that, and some other random tiny decisions, tips, apps and stuff. And Dropbox, I use Dropbox a lot. I think Dropbox is a really good app. I use it to like share files with people, and you can keep them in like good quality. Tiny Decisions is basically just like a spin wheel app. And then extra number 2 folder is like even more kind of random apps that I didn't know where else to put. So I have Docs. I use Docs quite a bit for like blog posts and school and just sharing notes and files and things like that. Files, I use that quite a bit if I need to for like downloading. I don't really use Chrome unless like the app or whatever I'm using requires me to use Chrome. I mostly use Safari, Apple Store, shortcuts, Gmail. I check my emails really often. So I have iTunes Store, Etsy. I go on Etsy quite a lot. I buy a lot of things on Etsy from all my favorite small business shops. Contacts, App Store, Find My, Phone, iPad, whatever. Notes, you guys all know what those apps do. And then I have Settings, you know what that does. Bible app, I usually use the iBible app on my phone. I don't really use it on my iPad unless like I don't have my phone with me, or if I have to, but I just like to keep it on there just in case. Next to that, I have like my watch and listen folder. So I have Disney Plus, and I need to log back in. I think I got logged out. I got Marco Polo. I use that to talk to my long distance bestie. Podcasts, love listening to podcasts, huge podcast person. I used to not be a podcast person, but once you find really good podcasts that you like, I mean, you literally can't stop. I do them when I'm doing chores, when I'm cleaning my room. I have Zoom, mostly use it on my computer, honestly, but I have it on here. I have books. Sometimes I read books on my iPad, but I prefer to read books like on paper. Skype, I also use that to like a video call with music. You guys all know what that is. By the way, I use Eva Grace's playlist. She got Apple Music, and she has the best music taste ever. We have like literally the same music taste. Anyways, so next to that, I have my social media folder. I have Pinterest. Love using Pinterest. Love this. So if you guys want to go follow me, I've pinned some pretty cute stuff. So go check me out at ximenaromeroo. So follow me on there if you want. And then I have Instagram. If I need to post something from my iPad to Instagram, I usually go on there. This is your little friendly reminder that if you're not following me on Instagram, I would love to have you on there. I post there like really frequently, I would say. So sorry, I'm literally checking my DMs right now. What am I doing? So yeah, go check out my Instagram at Ximena Design. Then I have YouTube. I mean, that's for you're watching this. Obviously, I have YouTube. YouTube Studio really helps me with like the analytics of my YouTube videos and things like that. So then I have Safari. I mostly use Safari. Comment down below if you use Safari or Chrome. Next to that, I have Mail. Like I said, check my email every day. See right now, that little red circle is bothering me because I keep checking the app and there's nothing to check. So yeah. And then next to that, I have like a help me out folder. I have File Explorer, which is unzip files. Sometimes I will need this. Yeah, it lets me unzip files. Photo Math, I use it for math. I don't take a picture and just copy down the answer. I have a teacher, and I don't know why I'm telling you this, but I ask her if I need help. But if there's a problem that like I want to check and I think I got it right, but I want to make sure, I usually go to that app and I figure out how to solve it from there. But I don't just take a picture and copy the answer. I have Google Classroom. I don't use this for school because I'm homeschooled, but I usually use this for like other assignments for other groups that I'm part of out of school. So yeah. Then I have Hootsuite. Sometimes I use this to schedule my personal Instagram posts, but I honestly don't really like this app. So yeah, those are basically all my main apps. At the bottom, I got these little like app covers from Julia K. Chris video. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have on my iPad. I use it for so many things. Let me know if you guys have an iPad and what your favorite apps are. Let me know also if you want to see more like tech, iPad related videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love giving you guys a little sneak peek throughout my iPad and how I use it every single day. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you stayed all the way over here, you should probably subscribe. But yeah, that's all I have to say, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!